Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided updos. To do this braiding updos, so first we need to have 100% dry hair, and then I like to use dry shampoos. This one gonna keep your volume and texture and also give you like fresh hair if you have like second day's hair. So you just suction out the hair and spread it in, upside down the bottle and section out, spread it in, and then do a couple more sections. Use your finger to go through your hair. Make sure it's even on the hair. Perfect. So, since it's a braiding, first I'm gonna do a section out the part like you want to do the braids. So I like to do a little bit go here. So in this part you can use a comb or use your hand. I figured out it looks more natural if you use a hand to section out. So you leave that piece out, and for the rest of the hair, I would like to do a low bun first. And also I really like to do a lot of updos just using hands because that looks more smooth and more natural. So I'll twist this and wrap it up. And for secure, you can use a bobby pin or you can use some elastics if you have at home. Today I'm gonna use the bobby pins just in case I wanted to put the braids inside of the buns later. So you just can put a couple bobby pins. Once it's all settled, and we can start doing the braids. So what I like to do, because I have some set lines, so I like to leave it out and start with the part on the top. So I'm gonna do a really easy braid, just like everyone can do at home. But you're still gonna add the hair inside. And then for the ends, I'm just gonna hold it, or if you have elastics, you can just tie it up, because I'm gonna still using bobby pins, so I'm gonna pin it together to the buns later. So I just hold it. And then you can loosen the buns a little bit to give a little volume, especially for the top part. Now you can leave the bands and then pull this braid, wrap it up to your bun at the back. And use another bobby pins to secure it together with the bun. So for the finish, this is quite too flat, so if you have bands, you want to leave it out some hair in the front, and for the top you just want to use your finger to pull it out some volume up. And then you want to make sure the bun is smoothing and also controlling. So if I'm gonna use the air control, which is just like really light, you can use on daily hairspray. But if you're going for some parties, for like weddings or like any parties, you can use more like control force, which is more stronger holding. So I'm just gonna use air force for myself. So you just spray it to make sure it's nice and smooth on your hair. And then you can also add accessories, which is like scrunchies or any hair clips to the bun, making more shaped. So you can just put like that a little bit. And then super easy braiding low bun. Here we go. Subscribe for more tutorials and see the products below.